We finally decided to go and explore the snow mountain in Melbourne, and we are taking you all along with us. We're going to the third largest snow mountain in Melbourne, known as Mount Hotham. It's about 4 hours 15 minutes away from where we live without traffic. So we decided to leave early morning. I woke up around 5 a.m. We got ready and we left the house around 7 a.m. So personally, before we go anywhere, I like to make sure that my house is nice and tidy before we leave. So we're just making our bed here. All the dishes, everything is done from what we had for breakfast. And this is our outfit of the day for today. We're still trying to wear a bit warm clothes because we heard it's quite cold up in the mountains. And also it was quite cold this morning. So we're leaving home today. We're going to be staying the night, and then tomorrow morning we will be going to visit the snow mountain, and then we will return back straight after. So I have been to the snow mountain once before, and this was in New Zealand, but it wasn't a proper experience because it had just started. The season of snowing had just started. So when we went, there actually wasn't any snow that time, only a little bit in some areas. So this is actually going to be our first proper time to the snow mountain. So I heard a lot of information with my friends that it's really cold and it was snowing and foggy and very bad weather. So one of my friends went last weekend. They really told us to gear up and make sure that we have everything. So I did some last minute shopping for my snow outfits because this was a last minute plan. So yeah, I hope that when we reach, it's not so bad and we can still enjoy and not freeze. I've also been told that we need car chains and we have to make sure that it matches our tires, and actually we just found this out last night. I had no idea about this, that it needs to match the wheels and the width and all that. So फिलहाल के लिए हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया, like we haven't done anything. So वहाँ पे जाके sort out करेंगे. Where we booked our accommodation, the lady from there told us that just across from them is the chain place. So we're going to just go and find out from there. I'm already drive कर रहे for 2 hours now, 2 more hours to go still, and this was our first stopover. The view is really beautiful though, and it's actually such a great day for a long drive. And हमें उतना traffic भी नहीं मिला road पे, just in Melbourne city, but as we come to this side, there's not much traffic. We have just reached Bright, and we are stopping over here for lunch, which is 20 minutes away from our accommodation. अगर आप Mount Hotham जाने के लिए सोच रहे, if you're thinking of coming to Mount Hotham or this side, just let me tell you that Bright is the only area where you can get the supermarket, grocery stores and shopping center, and also cafes and restaurants. After this area, as we go towards Mount Hotham, there is no other grocery stores, no shopping centers, nothing. And there's only accommodations, and if you want to eat food or buy dinner, lunch, whatever, it will have to be in the accommodation area. And they only have limited stuff, not a lot of things, and only 1 or 2 cafes which close really early in the evening and open a bit late in the mornings. So my friends had already told me this, so I managed to bring some snacks with us. So we've stopped at Bright Brewery for lunch. I ordered fish and chips, and my husband ordered vegetarian wood-fired pizza, and it was delicious. And the view was beautiful. You could see the mountains and playground and the river. It's a really nice, beautiful area. I really liked it. Reading on the history of this place, all about Bright Riverside. Now after lunch, we are headed back on the road, going towards Harrietville Hotel. That's where we will be staying. And oh my god, I can see the mountain with snows now. And we're here. So we're just checking in now. This is where we'll be staying tonight. So for one night our accommodation charge was $250, and this was for deluxe room. So let's check out how the deluxe room looks. So the room was really good. It's really great for family as well, because there's one big bed and two small bed as well if you come with kids, and also good if you come with lots of friends. There's enough space, and the room was really nice and cozy as well. For dinner, we had to have dinner in the motel because there's no other shops or restaurants nearby. We would have to go back to Bright, so we just stayed and had dinner in the motel. The food wasn't too bad, it was good. They at least had some stuff for Indian people as well. So my husband had cauliflower curry and naan, and I had some teriyaki chicken. So the food was really good, we really liked it, but there isn't a lot of options. And then straight after dinner we went to sleep because we were so tired and had to wake up again early morning. This is my snow outfit, which I got one day before. And we are off. Now we're just going across the road from the hotel to get some chains. The place we're going is called Hoy's, so this is the small center that's there. After this there's nothing until we reach the mountains. So from Hoy's you can rent for other stuff as well, such as snow mountain gear. They have a lot of things here that you can rent and buy too. This lady was so nice. She gave us a map and told us all the activities that we can do in Mount Hotham and nearby. So if your car breaks down or stops or some issues with the chain, there are stops for Hoys that you can call and they can come and help you on the road. And also there's a Hoys center up in the snow mountain as well. Stopping by to get some coffee, and then we're off to the mountain. This is just across from Hoy's. Weather-wise it's freezing cold and it was raining a bit. It has just stopped. I bought myself a carrot cake and some hot chocolate, and my husband got a latte and a feta cheese roll. And then we decided to just walk across the road and just check out the lake. Oh, that's right. दादाजी लोग तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are they doing? And then my eyes caught these beautiful birds. Look at their color, so beautiful. And we are off to Mount Hotham. It's going to take us 44 minutes to reach. So there's checkpoints on the road as well. They make sure that you have the lights on and if it's proper or not, and if you've got chains. So they've just told us that it's really foggy and be extra careful as we go. And also you need to have an entry pass of the whole resort, so which you have to apply online, and it costs $60. Whether you stay or not, it's mainly for the car because you park your car in the property, so you have to buy these resort tickets, which we actually didn't know, so thankfully they told us. So just make sure that you drive carefully because the roads are very small and very windy as well, and you can get car sick, so just make sure that you've got some medication and backup for that, especially if you have kids as well. And we're starting to see a bit of snow on the road as we drive up to the mountain now. We are really close. This is all snow. All snow. And we are here, so this is the first hub that you will see, and in this hub they do mostly skiing. Other activities and viewpoints are further down, so we are going to go further down. We are going to go to Hotham village. So this is the second stop point, and in here there's cafes and people do skiing over here as well, skiing classes as well. But we are going further down to Hotham Hub. So in Hotham Hub there is cafe as well, and other activities are happening down there. And also if you want to have a proper look at the snow, then it's best to go to Hotham Hub.
Wait.
They do this activity as well, and there's other activities as well. There's about 5-6 activities that is happening down here.
Start.
तू पास है मेरे पास है से मेरा कोई एहसास है जैसे तू पास है मेरे पास है से मेरा कोई एहसास है जैसे हाय मैं मर ही जाऊं जो तुझको ना पाऊं बातों में तेरी मैं रातें बिताऊं होठों पे लम्हा लम्हा है नाम तेरा है तुझको ही गाऊं मैं तुझको पुकारूं सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ तेरे आंसुओं का बना हूँ मेरी हंसी.
And we made a snowman for the first time. I did help a little bit, but my husband did all the hard work and made this beautiful snowman. It turned out really good. Let me know what you guys think of our snowman as well. It was a really good experience and we were really enjoying. In the starting it was quite cold when we arrived and foggy, but as the day went by the sun came out and became really nice weather and we enjoyed even more because of the weather. And now we're driving back to the village area just to look at the view there and the skiing area there. And we did stop by for lunch at Hotham hub. The meals weren't so great, it was okay, but we saw many people bringing their own meals for picnic and stuff, so if you do get a chance, if you can bring your own meal, that will be more better because the food isn't so great. So if you wanted to book for accommodation in Mount Hotham, then these are the villages that people usually book for. So as you can see that you will get really nice beautiful view if you had to stay here.
तुझसे मिलकर दिल ये बोले जीना अब तेरे संग है प्यारा तेरी आँखों में है सारे सपने तेरे साथ ही बीते अपने तेरे बिन जीना मुश्किल हर पल तुझसे हो प्यार भरा तेरी आँखों में है सारे सपने तेरे साथ ही बीते अपने तेरे बिन जीना मुश्किल हर पल तुझसे हो प्यार भरे दिल की धड़कन तू ही जाने तेरी हंसी में खुशियाँ समाने जीने का बहाना तू ही है तेरे बिना कुछ भी ना है तेरी बातें हंसाने वाली तेरे संग है खुशियों की डाली तेरी राहों में जिंदगी बसी हर पल तुझसे दिल है लगी तेरे संग हर पल रंगी सपने सारे हुए सजी तेरे बिना हो भी क्या जीवन हर पल
And we are off now, going back to Melbourne, driving 4 hours back. We had a great time. It was a really great experience. It was an amazing experience and first time seeing proper snow, building our snowman. It was a really great time, really great couple time. And yeah, I will definitely recommend everyone to visit Mount Hotham. It was beautiful, it was clean, and it was really big, so you do get your own space as well to do things, take photos, make videos. There's no one waiting in line, so that was one good thing that I really enjoyed. So I hope that you all enjoyed watching with us, and see you all in my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
तू ही जाने तेरी हंसी